Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth transition in CapCut. Let's get started. First, let's insert all of our clips into CapCut. I'll make each clip last 1.5 seconds. If you want to learn more about cutting and splitting, I have a whole video dedicated just to that. This is what we have for now. Select your first clip, go to the speed section and select the curve. I have a whole video dedicated just to curves, so if you want to learn more about that in detail, go watch that video. But for this video, let's select the custom one and we're going to raise the first and the last arrows. And make them last very short by bringing the arrows closer to each other. Now let's copy the attributes of this video, and if you want to learn how to do that, go watch the video on that. Paste them on the other 3 videos. Go to the transition tab. You can add transitions like pull out or pull in. Let's add pull out first, pull in second, and for the last one, pull out again. This is the result. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.